Hey guys, now we're looking at some GCF LCM word problems. We're going to decide whether they're GCF or LCM first, and then we're going to see if we need to find, then we're going to see if we can find the GCF or LCM of those. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at words to look for. And the words we're going to look for GCF problems are groups, divide, greatest number. Okay, those are the key words we want to look for GCF problems. The key words we want to look for LCM word problems will be next, minimum, again, and smallest. Now, we're going to use that to help reread some questions. And we're going to look at this one. It says, Jackson Stationery is selling cards in packs of 12 and envelopes in packs of 9. If Kina wants to buy the same number of each, what is the minimum number of cards that she will have to buy? So again, we're looking for the words that we had up here and here. We're looking for words that describe groups, divide, number, or next, minimum, again, smallest. I see one of those words right down here. The minimum number of cards. So we want the minimum, the smallest, or those other pieces. So this is an LCM question. So that's kind of what we're looking for. So again, reread a couple times, look for those key words. And you can always find a key word in there. We just got to remember what they mean. If you're struggling on these questions, make sure you're emailing teachers. Thank you. Bye.